Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just went up and got some sheetrock. It's time to get working on the house again. I think I'm going to start by doing some sheetrocking in this bathroom. I kind of like to get that done. That's kind of where I left off when I left last year. When I left last year, we had plans of Melissa doing all the taping in here, but shortly after I left, she left the job that she was at for 14 years for a much better job, and that job takes up a lot more of her time. She simply has just had no time to do it. So the plan now, if I can get this all sheetrocked, we're actually going to get a company in here to do all the taping. I can do it. I'm real slow at it, and I can't stand it. And the people that do it are so good at it, you just have to respect them. So I'll get it rocked. They can come in and do the rest, and then it'll be ready for trim, cabinets, everything that comes after that. So all I picked up today was 8 sheets of the white and then 2 sheets of the, what I call it, green. It's the mold resistant. That's the stuff I want to put behind the tub where the tile is going to go. Or I guess I should say above the tub, and we'll tile down to it. That's the hardest thing about sheetrocking in this house, is the way it was framed originally. You can see that sheet, for more than half of it is even with the ceiling, and then you get a gap. So it's hard to know what's square and what's level, but that's where it has to go. Just driving up to Home Depot here to get some more sheetrock this morning. Get some more work done on the house. Well, for the last couple days I've just been getting the small stuff done here. I'm doing the ceiling repairs right now. I wasn't going to repair this. Years ago it had some water damage because the old heat exchanger up there, the air conditioning unit, whatever they call it down here, it leaked and there was some water stains, and some of that sheetrock was kind of rotted out against the beam right there. So I opted to just get rid of it and do it right, because we're bringing people in here that are going to scrape all the ceilings, want smooth ceilings, so I want them to have something good to work with. I'm also going to replace this piece right here. There's a crack that goes down the center. I don't know. There used to be a light there. I don't know if it was a heavy light or what it was, but I'm going to replace that too. Well, I am super glad that that's done. That was quite the dirty job. Okay everyone, well, all of the kitchen ceiling repairs are done. You know, when I first met Melissa and I first came down here, there was those cracks were going down the center of the kitchen here. I knew someday I'd have to repair them, but I just dreaded doing it. It was nice to do it now where everything can just come down. They'll come in and fix everything all at one time with the taping mud. Well, tomorrow I'm flying back to Minnesota. I'm going to be down there for 7 days, leaving Thursday. And I'm flying back down here on the following Thursday. I have a job, I have to do a basement frame, and I'm going to fly up there and get that done and come back, and then I have to screw off the sheetrock in here. I have it all hung on this part, but I haven't went through with the screw gun and taken care of all of the fastening. Once I get that all done, then we're going to bring in the whoever's coming in to do the taping of all this, because we have to do the house in 2 stages. Everything that's done right now will get taped, the ceiling's done, everything finished, and then since there's still furniture in the sunroom and furniture in the back master bedroom and stuff in here, all of this stuff will get moved into those rooms. Once this is done, then I can move that stuff out of those rooms. I can hang the sheetrock in the master bedroom, hang the sheetrock in the sunroom, and then get them back to finish all that. There's just no place to put it. You know, there's not a garage here or a storage shed that can keep everything dry. So that's how we're going to do that. I got the grass mowed yesterday, so she won't have to do that this next week when I'm gone. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys down here in a week for some more stuff on the Louisiana house.